Welcome to my review of the On wireless keyboard. It has a leave-in nano receiver and works up to 30 feet. So first off, this was around $25 US, and I just got this at Walmart. This is the cheapest one I saw. The other ones were about 30 bucks. So if you're just looking for a cheap wireless keyboard that doesn't have a whole lot of functions, I would probably go ahead and get this. But if you're a gamer, go ahead and get a gamer keyboard. They can run to up to 70 bucks. I saw one at Walmart, and the mouses are the same price, around 70 bucks. But so like I said, this is the On wireless keyboard. It is compatible with a Mac and a PC. It's wireless. It includes batteries, and it uses USB. The back of the box really just talks about the receiver and just says, this talks about the keyboard. It has a slim design, soft touch keys, optimal size for comfortable typing, plug and play specialty, which means no software to install. So, back to the subject of gaming keyboards. A gaming keyboard probably would have software you have to install for like extra buttons that wouldn't be on your average keyboard like this. So this is actually my second time unboxing this, because last time I messed up. So when you take it out, you get this bag saying, "Warning, keep out of reach of children," like the bag. Keep that out of reach of children. The batteries are actually in this. I didn't take them back out. But it has a slim design. It's actually about the size of the box, but it is a lot thinner. It is actually probably as thin as the iPod 4th gen. But once you get to the back of it, it gets thick. See if I can show you that. So it's really thin right here. Back here it gets thick, just so they can give it a little bit of an angle so it's comfortable to type with. And the backs have these lift-up tabs that give it a little bit more height, but they don't have rubber grips on it. So you'll have more grip if you just leave it like it is out of the box. And when you take this out, it'll have batteries in it, but I didn't take it back out, so they're actually still in there. This has a wireless receiver and then also an instruction booklet in the bag. We can look at that last. So once I'm done with this, really all I'm going to do is talk about the instruction booklet. So the On mouse actually matches this, and it has a wireless nano receiver, which looks exactly the same. Now you can see a little bit of a symbol or something on that. It's just worn down on here. I've had this a long time. So they just take up one USB port on your computer. So I'll go ahead and plug it in my computer and let the computer recognize it. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and look at this now, because it's just a little bit. All this just says is how to put the batteries in, where to plug it in, and the LEDs. And it says it's an indicator. Red LED is on for 10 seconds for the power on. Red LED blink for 10 seconds means the low battery, and a red LED blinking means pairing. LED off when paired or failed after 10 seconds. So that's just a little booklet. And then you get nothing else inside the box. So here's the actual keyboard itself. It's actually a nice size. It matches everything else on my desk. It matches the Mercury and Logitech speakers. And I actually reviewed these speakers as my first video and my last video. So here's a comparison of a wired keyboard I was using before I got this. It's actually a an old Mac computer keyboard. I mean, this was probably back in like 2000, if not like 1980 something. Not 1980 something, but 1990 something. But you can tell there's a little bit of size difference. And I can't really compare how thin they are, because my area is too small my desk area is just too small. But you can see that the keys are a lot more small, and the best part about it is wireless. you know, I don't have a giant wire that's way too long anymore. So now I have a wireless keyboard, and it kind of just keeps your desk uncluttered from having wires all over the place. Because it's one thing to have your wires all under your desk and, you know, back here like I have it, but to have a, you know, a wire just, you know, running up here to your computer, and it's like 3 times the length of what it should be, you know, for your, you know, area that you're in. It's just kind of nice. So let me see if it's actually working now. So it's actually typing right now. I'll just kind of do a test. See if you can see it right there. See, don't know if you can see that. It says YouTube, but so it works pretty well. There's no lag. I'm pretty sure you could play Minecraft with this. It wouldn't be that hard to play. But if you're interested in buying this, it's $25. It's by the company On, which is spelled on except with the extra N. And you know, it's I will admit, On is a really good company. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, a connect button is right here. So if it's not working, you probably would press this and it'd connect. And this is where the batteries go, right here. You put it in, it slides through, and you put the next battery there. So that, and then this sticker is just information. It does the same thing on here. It's just the stock number. Like this says 3-volt input, and this says 3-volt and 50 milliamps. Same thing for the mouse. So you know, this is the same input as the mouse, but I'm really sure that doesn't really matter. But on the top you have these function keys, and this one's media, volume, and that just opens something up on my computer, which was not what it was supposed to do. Rewind, fast forward, eject, stop, home, mail, I think that means desktop and folder or something, but you're supposed to press the function key, and now it's working. See if I can show you that. So you have to press function and then press it, and then I'll mute it. And media, I don't know what that'll pull up. I don't think that pulled up anything. But home button, that doesn't really do anything, because I think I might have to set it, I'm not sure. But so that's just kind of nice feature. I'm pretty sure that's on all keyboards though, but there's other things like delete, insert, things like that, and that's about it. It's got this is meant for a Windows computer. You can kind of tell because it's got the Windows button, and that brings up the menu. So that was my review of the On wireless keyboard. Prices and other things that may be important will be in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video.